If you feel like you're late to the AI party, this video is for you. Because here's the truth, most people are using AI completely wrong. They watch the few top 100 AI tools videos, try a couple of prompts, get overwhelmed, and then nothing in their life actually changes. No new skills, no new income, just more noise. In this video, I'm not going to dump a giant list on you. I'm going to show you 5 specific AI tools and simple workflows that can actually help you make money in 2026. Not get rich overnight, not hype, but real use cases that people are already getting paid for right now. And if you stay until the end, I'll give you a simple 7-day action plan you can follow to go from just watching videos to actually using these tools for something that can grow into an income stream. Let's get into it. Before we start, I want you to know how I chose these tools. I use 3 simple rules. Rule number 1, there has to be real demand. Someone out there must already be paying for the result. If it only gets likes on social media but nobody pays for it, it's not on this list. Rule number 2, low entry barrier. You shouldn't need to be a senior developer or a professional editor to start. If you understand basic computers and are willing to learn, that's enough. Rule number 3. These tools must still matter in 2026, not just be a short term 20 to 25 trend. If a tool is only interesting because it's new or viral, I didn't include it. With that in mind, let's start with tool number 1. Tool number 1 is AI voice engines like 11 Labs. These tools turn your text into high quality, realistic voice in seconds. You write a script, choose a voice or clone your own, click a button, and the tool reads it for you. Why does this matter for making money? Because almost every piece of online content needs a voice. YouTube videos, TikTok clips, podcast intros, audiobooks, ad voiceovers, online courses, explainer videos. Behind all of these, someone is recording or producing the voice. In the past, you either had to have a great voice and a good microphone, or you had to hire a voice actor for every project. Now, with AI voice tools, one person can handle dozens of voice projects a week. Here are a few please, fewer take go. Or those people already getting paid with this. They create voiceovers for faceless YouTube channels. They record ad voiceovers for small businesses that need short, clear scripts for Instagram and TikTok. They turn blog posts into audio for newsletters and websites. The pros are clear. AI voices are fast, consistent, and scalable. You can deliver in different tones, accents, and languages without extra recording time. The main cons, you still need a good script. And in some niches, clients may prefer a real human voice. Also, the best tools usually require a subscription. So the basic workflow here is simple. Script in, AI voice out, then drop the audio into any video editor and export. If you're already watching this channel, you're probably capable of doing that. Let's move to tool number 2. Tool number 2 is your AI brain. Tools like ChatGPT and similar advanced language models. Think of this as your writing partner, your idea machine, and your content assistant. You can use these tools to brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, outline newsletters, draft emails, create content plans, or even help with research. For example, instead of staring at a blank page for 2 hours, you can ask the AI to generate 3 script outlines for 5 AI tools that can make you money in 2026. Then pick the best one and refine it. Freelancers use not on these tools to write blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, and product descriptions faster. Consultants and creators use them to build content strategies, lead magnets, and course outlines. The pros: they're extremely versatile, fast, and available 24/7. They can turn a rough idea into a structured piece of content in minutes. The cons: if you rely on them blindly, the result can feel generic or flat. You still need to guide them with good prompts and your own judgment. The ideal workflow looks like this. First, you bring the idea. Then the AI helps you create an outline. Then you go back and forth to turn that outline into a complete script or document. You are not replacing your thinking. You are speeding up the part where you stare at the screen and overthink everything. Now, tool number three is AI video and B-roll generators like Runway or similar tools. These tools help you generate short video clips or transform existing footage using AI. Right now, B-roll is everywhere. Every YouTube video, every ad, every short form clip uses supporting footage, city scenes, office shots, product close ups, abstract backgrounds. In the past, you had to shoot this yourself or dig through endless stock libraries. Now, with AI video tools, you can generate cinematic B roll that matches your script or voiceover. How does this translate into money? You can offer B-roll packages to YouTubers, agencies, and brands who need better visuals for their videos. You can charge for creating short ad creatives for products using AI video plus basic editing. You can even use it for your own faceless channels, turning simple scripts into watchable videos. The pros: you can create visual content at a scale that used to require a team, and camera. You can customize clips to match the tone of each project. The cons: these tools usually cost the money or credits, and you still need some basic sense of editing and storytelling to make the final result good. The workflow is again simple. You start with a script or voiceover, generate B-roll for the key moments, then edit everything together in a timeline and export. Tool number four is AI design and thumbnail tools, like Canva with AI features. Thumbnails and visuals are the first thing people see. If your video or content looks boring, they never even give your work a chance. AI-powered design tools help you create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, channel banners, and even basic brand kits without being a designer. Why does this matter financially? Because creators and businesses constantly need new visuals. You can offer YouTube thumbnail design, podcasts, cover design, social media post templates, and simple branding packages. A single thumbnail that improves click-through rate can be worth a lot to a YouTuber. A small improvement in clicks can mean more views, more subscribers, and more revenue for them. The pros: templates and AI assistants make the process much faster. You can start with a few strong layouts and adapt them for different clients. The cons: design is a competitive space. To stand out, you still need taste, consistency, and some understanding of what actually gets clicks. A simple approach: study which thumbnails work well in your niche. Recreate the structure with your own twist using AI tools. Then offer these as a service or use them on your own channel. Now let's talk about tool number 5. Tool number 5 is AI-powered analytics and growth tools for YouTube like vidIQ or TubeBuddy with AI features. These tools don't create content for you, but they help you understand what is working, what isn't, and where the opportunities are. They can show you which topics are trending, which keywords have demand, and which videos on your channel keep people watching the longest. This matters because random effort is expensive. Focused effort, guided by data, is what actually compounds over time. You can use these tools to grow your own channel faster, or offer analytics and strategy as a service to other creators and businesses. For example, you could help a channel identify their top performing topics, improve their titles and thumbnails based on data, and plan their next 10 videos according to what real viewers are already responding to. The pros: you make decisions based on evidence, not guesses. You see progress as a graph, not as a feeling. The cons: there is a learning curve, and the best features often require subscription. But if you are serious about YouTube or content, using analytics is not optional anymore. It is part of being a professional. Now let's put all of this together into a simple 7-day action plan. Day 1 and day 2. Pick your skill. Do you want to focus on voiceovers, scripts, video B-roll, design, or analytics and strategy? You do not have to do everything. Choose one lane to start with. Day 3 and day 4. Learn and build 3 examples. Watch a few solid tutorials on your chosen tool. Then create 3 sample projects as if they were for real clients. 3 voiceover demos, 3 thumbnail designs, 3 short AI B-roll ads, or 3 channel reports. Day 5, day 6, and day 7. Publish or reach out. If you're building your own channel, upload your content and pay attention to what performs better. If you want clients, reach out to small creators, local businesses, or people already posting but with weak visuals or sound. Show them your before and after examples. Offer to do one test piece for a low price or even free, and then raise your rates as you build trust, and results. Here is the uncomfortable truth. If you watch videos, learn tools, and then do nothing, nothing in your life changes. AI will not magically deposit money into your account, but it can dramatically reduce the time between idea finished product. It can give one person the leverage that used to require a small team. But the question is not, will AI take all the jobs? The question is, will you learn to use these tools to create something valuable for others? If you found this breakdown helpful and you want more content about practical AI tools and real online income workflows, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now I want to hear from you. Which AI tool do you want a deep dive on next? Voice, scripts, video design, or analytics? Tell me in the comments, and I'll build a full video around the most requested one. And if you want to keep going right now, click on the next video on your screen where I break down